Huawei MatePad Pro 11, 2024 model. 12GB RAM. 256GB, 512GB storage. UFS 3.1. Chipset. Kirin 9000S. CPU Octa-core 2.49 GHz. GPU Maleoon 910MP4. Thickness 5.9 mm. Weight 449 grams. Display, 11 inches. OLED, 1 billion colors. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Brightness 600 nits. Resolution 2560 by 1600 pixels. 274 ppi. Bluetooth 5.4. Headphone jack Type-C. GPS. Height 249.2 mm. Width 160.4 mm. Main camera. 13 megapixel, wide camera. 8 megapixel, ultra-wide camera. Video recording 4K. Selfie camera. 16 megapixel, wide camera. Video recording, 1080p. Dual SIM 5G. Stereo speakers, 6 speakers. Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Sensor. BDS satellite calling and message. Ambient light. Compass. Gravity. Gyroscope. Hall sensor. OS. HarmonyOS 4.0. Battery 8300 mAh. Charging 66 watts. USB Type-C 3.1. Ultra-thin VC liquid cooling. Huawei M-Pencil 3rd generation.